If you're calling around Edmonton for furnace cleaning, here's what you should actually expect to pay and what you need to make sure is included. I'll give you the number first, because that's why you're here. A single furnace with no air conditioning and no zones is $345 plus GST. If you've got air conditioning, it's $405 plus GST, and that includes cleaning the AC coil at the same time. And to be clear about which coil that is, it's the one sitting right above your furnace, inside the house, in the airflow path, not the unit outside. That indoor coil is the part that gets dirty and costs you efficiency, because every bit of air in your home passes through it. That's the whole price. Not a starting point, not a range that changes once somebody's in your basement. Now here's the part that matters more than the number, what's actually included, because that's where Edmonton homeowners get hurt. At Home Pros Group, that flat rate covers your furnace and all of the ducting connected to it. Every supply run, every return, every register in the house. We don't count your vents and we don't charge by the vent. You will see duct cleaning advertised in this city for under $100. I want you to understand exactly how that works, because it isn't a mistake and it isn't a loss leader. It's the business model. That low headline price covers a set number of vents, usually 6 or 8. Your house doesn't have 6 vents. It's got 20 odd plus returns. The rest get counted on the day at a per vent rate that wasn't on the flyer by a technician who's already set up in your basement. And from there it grows. The main trunk is extra. The returns are extra. Then there's a deep clean upgrade because the job you book turns out to be the basic one. That $99 job becomes $600 or $800 and most people pay it because the alternative is sending someone away in the middle of the job. So when you're calling around, the question isn't just what does it cost? The question is, does that price include every vent in my house in writing before you start? There are a few honest add-ons, and I'll tell you exactly what they are. A second furnace is $150 more, and that includes all of its ducting too. Each zone system is $60 because zone dampers are real extra work, and we'd rather price them honestly than bury them in everybody else's base rate. Sanitizing is extra as well, but only if it's actually required. Most of the time it isn't. If somebody's adding sanitizer to every single job, that isn't a diagnosis. That's a sales program. We'll tell you if your system genuinely needs it, and if it doesn't, you won't hear about it. A dryer vent is $60 if we do it while we're already there for your furnace, or $150 on its own. If there's a bird nest in it, which around here is a routine spring finding, not an unusual one, that's $225. That's the entire list. Every price we charge is published on our website. You can read it before you ever call us. One more thing that's specific to living here. There's no travel surcharge anywhere in our service area. Edmonton, Spruce Grove, Stony Plain, St. Albert, Sherwood Park, Leduc, Devon, and the surrounding communities all pay the same published rate. Your postal code doesn't change your price. We've been doing this at a flat rate since 2002. Tell us how many furnaces you've got, and we'll confirm your number in writing before we book you. If you'd like that quote, call us at 780-932-7337. That's 780-932-7337, or find every price we charge at homeprosgroup.com. Home Pros Group. Quality you can trust.